Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll learn how to use ChatGPT to write tests for us. So we have a collection in ChatGPT, and using this collection, we can write better tests and more accurate tests that we do on our own. And also, we can ask generic questions about the software, the workarounds, and so on. So first, let's go to policies. I want to create a policy and call it GPT, something very simple. I created it. Now I want to add a rule, and it's going to be a Python rule, and platform is Cisco iOS. Rule name, let's say default route. Save it. And there we go. Since it is a Python rule, we are provided with a text editor. I am going to delete it. Instead, I have a prompt here, Control C. And if I click on this symbol here, this will take us to ChatGPT and specifically to our collection in ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on this. There we go. We have it here. And you can also pin it here. So you don't have to do it every time. You don't have to click on this symbol every time. Rather, you have it inside your bar and you can use it anytime that you want. So the prompt is this. Write a test for a Cisco iOS device to see whether we have a default route or not. Make sure to basically include the platform as well, because the syntax is different with each platform. There we go. We ran the prompt and this is the output that we get. So this is going to be our code. And basically this is just docstring. If you want to make it simpler, you're just going to delete this. And we're going to run show IP route and see whether we have the default route inside the database or not. If not, then we say default route is not present. So before doing that, I'm going to go back to my device and type in show IP route. And there we go. This is the route that is present in our IP routing table. So this should be compliant when we run it. And again, I have to change this to what I have here, rule default routes. And I'm just gonna remove this part, present, and this should be fine. There we go, it is compliant and we have default route inside our routing table. And if I change this to something else, maybe go back to our device one more time. I'm gonna use this one, copy that, go back here, paste it, but instead of 32, I'm gonna say /28. Debug. And not compliant. This route is not present in our routing table. So that was it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next one.